Hey everyone, all right, time to do some shopping for some new power tools. It's a new brand that I just found out about when I was at Harbor Freight looking for some hardware. All right, let's go check it out. The Atlas battery platform, better than gas is what they're claiming right here. So here they're kind of doing some comparisons and giving you some of the specs. There, as you can see, just a real quick breakdown, the comparison on the 80 volt battery, power tools there. The trimmer that I'm gonna get, it's saying you can do about 8,000 plus linear feet, and it's comparing it to a 23cc gas trimmer. And then the chainsaw can do those 4x4 logs, 140 of them, comparing it to 50cc gas chainsaw, which is let's see if it delivers it. As far as the build and everything, they feel real rugged, real solid. I'm gonna get this weed whacker here, the 40 volt and 80 volt operation battery with this faster charger, which is fan cooled. 4 times the runtime. This is huge. That battery right there is $109. Here we got the cordless blower and brushless motor. That's the 40 volt trimmer there. The 80 volt chainsaw, as well as the 40 volt chainsaw here. Also have the cordless hedge trimmer too here on the 40 volt battery. Oh, and then they got the extension chainsaw, this guy right here. So it's pretty sweet. This guy here, 40 volt. I might get that one too, just to cut branches around the house. It looks like the 80 volt battery runs both the 40 and the 80 volt tools. And we'll just start off with one battery. They also have lawnmowers too, which I may go to that eventually, but we'll see. All right, y'all, so these are the lawnmowers. They got a non-self-propelling one right here. And then the other one here is the self-propelled one. And it takes 2 80 volt batteries. All right, y'all, here they are in the truck, ready to go home. All right, you guys, looks like we have the opportunity now to test these guys out. The Atlas brushless string trimmer right here. We got the 80 volt and 40 volt battery. We got 4 lights on, fully charged here. The Atlas rapid charger. And when I plug this guy in, it locks into place here. You hear the fan kick in. It definitely helps dissipate that heat. So we'll talk a little bit more about this. And we're gonna go ahead and test these guys out with a fully charged 80 volt / 40 volt battery and see how much it can do in my yard as far as trimming all around my 100 by 100 foot fence, to see if I can get everything done with one fully charged battery. The 40 volt battery can't be used on the 80 volt tools, but the 80 volt battery can be used on both the 80 volt and the 40 volt tools. You have some benefits here, like no dangerous fumes, no gas and oil mixing, no engine maintenance, instant electric start, which is great, low vibration, which we're going to test that out, of course no refueling costs, so that's really great. So we're going to go ahead, yeah, just inside the box, I already feel the weight's pretty light. This is a bigger trimmer than my Works trimmer, and it feels lighter already, but we don't have the 80 volt battery on it yet. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Let's see how it looks and feels. Alright, so we got everything unboxed. It comes with its own Allen wrench. You can see the trimmer is out of the box. It's basically folded in half. So it requires a little bit of assembly, but the weight and the material feels amazing, nice, solid. Even the plastic is a nice feel to it. The handle, the grip is very soft and grippy. I love it. And so we're just gonna go ahead and put this together here. And it also comes with, here, let's just go ahead and snap this together. Looks like it goes right, it's got a little push button. Just snap it into place, so no assembly there really. It just kind of pops into place there. Pretty nice, but that's its full length here. All right, it comes with this plastic guard and the handle, which we will install on here before we go ahead and start trimming the yard. It comes with its own instruction manual as well. It's a straight shaft here. And yes, it's a very sturdy trimmer. It already comes with line in it. All right, let's go ahead and install the guard. in the auxiliary handle, so that way we can go ahead and plug this battery in and see how this trimmer works. Underneath you have two nuts that are actually welded to the metal piece there. So you have to loosen this handle from the top side. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and attach the handle. And there you go. You got your handle on. Okay, let's go ahead and put the guard on. Again, it does have a blade here that can be removed with the Allen wrench. To get the guard on, it just sits right here just like this. So we'll go ahead and install that. All right, y'all, there it is. The guard is on, the handle is on. All right, so we verified that we have plenty of line in here. It basically comes in with a full length of line just out of the box. I don't have a string or harness for this. It does have that ring here if you did want to get something like that for yourself. 6.5 pounds, 6.6 pounds, not too heavy. This is without the battery. All right, so we have the 80 volt battery, which again is both, this you can use on both the 40 volt and the 80 volt tools. Let's go ahead and slide this in. Locks in nice and secure. And even with the battery, it's I would say it's lighter than a gas-powered trimmer. And they're claiming here on the box that this guy has more power than a 23cc gas-powered trimmer. So we're gonna go ahead and test that out, put it to the test to see if that's the case. I love the rubber grip on the handle here. It's really soft, and it gives you a lot of confidence as far as the control and the grip of the trimmer itself. Also, the trimmer handle here, the auxiliary handle, it's not like that hard. It is a hard plastic, but it seems to have a nice texture to it, which makes it a lot more comfortable, easy to hold. So this is the whole tool here. Let's go ahead and you got a safety trigger and then the main trigger, or this is the safety trigger up top, and then this is the variable speed trigger. So let's go ahead and test it out. Still 4 lights. All right, we just finished my 100-foot by 100-foot yard. Basically, it's 100 feet squared, and we went all the way around on the inside, as well as 100 feet across on the outside, which you saw in the video. And we had the extra really tall grass around our turf. After finishing the whole yard with trimming around the house, all the way around on the inside of the fence and the outside, we have a half battery life left. If you could see here, we push it. Let me see. Right there, you can see it. Half battery life. We got 2 lights left. So, did my whole yard and it used up only half the battery. And a few things we noticed about it is if the trimmer, if it seems like if the motor, and we'll verify that either in the instructions or some more details on the trimmer, if it hits like a really thick branch or tree or shrub that's growing alongside the fence or in the yard, the engine will, the motor will just completely stop, and it seems like it has a safety trip feature. All you have to do is completely remove the battery for a few seconds and just reinsert it, set it back in, and the motor starts right back up again. So it's a really nice trimmer. I was hoping we could do the whole yard and at least have 1 light left of power, but it looks like it only used up half the battery. So I think it has really good battery life. Okay, so one thing about this Atlas trimmer, it's definitely a true variable speed trigger. So here we go. So right there you can see really slow speed, and it'll increase in speed here. That's full throttle right there. And again, releasing it even, you can hear it slowing down. So great, sensitive, variable speed trigger. We appreciate you all watching. Of course, we always ask that you support us by sharing, liking, commenting. Also, I'm gonna just ask you guys to let me know what you'd like me to do reviews on as we move forward. So we appreciate your support once again. You all take care out there, be safe, and see you next time.